Well, we made it to Harbor Freight yesterday for a little sale. Looks like we got us a new toolbox. So here we go.
Everything is bigger.
Here's the cart we got. It's the U.S. General 30-inch 5-drawer roll-around cart. Just wanted it in the shop just so we can roll it around and stop chasing the toolbox. All right, that's what it looks like when it's unboxed. Most of the pieces are inside the box itself, and the actual bottom tray is upside down in the bottom of the box. So we'll get after it. All right, as far as we've got so far, the GoPro died. I got the bottom semi put together. Loosely, it's not tightened up yet, so now we're going to lift this box up that weighs about 80 pounds and put it up on there, and then I'll snug everything up. So hang on. All right, that's what it came out as. Not too bad. We changed out the trim here from the chrome to the black. One thing, a couple of these back bolts were hard to get to, but she'll work. Oh, I also had this one ding here. So we noticed the box had a little damage on it, and what it was, this is the corner to hit on. You can see it's got a little ding in it, and the flange down underneath, but it ain't worth taking back. Oh, this the only option I bought was the magnetic paper towel holder. So may end up having to put some lights on it. I mean, why not? Maybe the bottom might need a light. If you open the top, bottom light up, that might be something. But all right. Okay, I forgot to mention I did get the optional 100 horsepower adder kit with the stickers. So ready to go.